A second decision on CBD, cannabidiol, in 2 weeks, and another victory for stores selling these products. In a long-awaited stop, the Court of Cassation ruled on Wednesday the 23rd of June that, by virtue of the free movement of goods within the European Union, EU, the marketing of CBD in a member state cannot be prohibited if this product is legally produced in another member state. The Court of Cassation quashed a judgment condemning the manager of a shop in Grenoble that sold products based on cannabidiol, CBD, the non-psychotropic molecule of cannabis, and ordered a new trial in Paris. In this case, the judges of the Grenoble Court of Appeal did not investigate, when requested, whether the CBD discovered in the store run by the defendant was legally manufactured in another EU state, she explains. Article reserved for our subscribers. Read also for European justice, CBD is not a narcotic, and cannot be banned in France. In June 2019, the Grenoble Criminal Court acquitted the store manager on charges of complicity in the unauthorized acquisition, possession, offer or sale of narcotic products. The prosecution had appealed. A year later, in June 2020, the Grenoble Court of Appeal reversed the judgment and found the manager guilty, who had lodged an appeal in cassation. This decision of the Court of Cassation thus applies the judgment rendered in November by the Court of Justice of the European Union and which had come to contradict the French authorities. The latter considered that CBD, a non-psychotropic cannabis molecule, is not a narcotic and that the free movement of goods does not allow an EU country to oppose its marketing when it is legally produced in another member state, and this, even when it is extracted from the plant of cannabis sativa in its entirety and not from its fibers and seeds alone. It therefore authorizes the sale of imported products, even if France prohibits their production on its soil. According to Ingrid Metten, a lawyer who specializes in light cannabis cases, this judgment of the Court of Cassation says that if CBD is legally produced in the EU and THC is at a trace level, the product cannot be qualified as a narcotic product in France, regardless of whether it is active flowers or processed product. These products can therefore be marketed, she assures. This